Hey guys, welcome back to our new video of HTML series. Today we are going to learn about HTML images. So let's understand the basic syntax of image tag here guys, before going further. Okay, now guys you can see here the image tag is written here. Basically the image tag is starts from img. Okay, the image tag starts from the image keyword that's called img here. Okay, now see guys, what is the working of this tag in our web page? Basically, this tag is used to display an image in our web pages. Suppose I want to display an image in our web page, so I will use this tag. Okay. Now see guys, this tag has 4 attributes here. The one is source attribute, and the second one is alt attribute, and the third and fourth one is width and height attribute. Okay guys. Now see guys, each attribute one by one. So now see guys, what is the source attribute doing here? Basically the source attribute, that is src here. Okay, the source attribute contains the path of the image that we have used in our web page. Okay, suppose I want to use an image and that image is uploaded on my root directory of my server. Okay, so to display that image in our web page, we will use the path of that image in this value. Okay, in this value. Okay, in the place of this value, we will use that path in the value of source attribute. Okay, so okay, alright guys, and see guys here, this is called image name and dot after dot, and this is the extension of that image. That what type of image is that? JPG extension, PNG extension, whatever you can use, but it can be image only. Basically here you can only put the path of that image, that from where you display the image. Okay, from where you display the image in our web page. So basically put the path of that image here. Now second one is alt attribute guys. Now see guys, what is the use of this? Basically this tells about the name of that image, that what type of image we are using here. Okay, suppose now I am using the nature type of image, so I will name that image nature image. Okay, and why we use this name here? Because you know guys that whenever we search on Google about an image, the Google will display the images as per our requirement. So basically Google search these names here, the names. Okay, so whenever our keyword will match by image name, then the Google scan that image and show in my web page. Okay, so basically this is the name of that image that we are using. It will say automatically guys. Now see guys, third one and fourth one, the height and width attribute. Basically these attributes are used to resize our image. That suppose I want to resize my image as per my requirement, so I will resize here my image. I will resize my width and height both. Okay, so now guys, let's do practical. See guys, this is your basic HTML structure that we have already covered in our previous videos. Okay, so now I want to display an image in my web page. Okay, so now I will use image tag here guys. Okay, see how it looks like. Enter. So this is your image tag here guys. Okay, this is your image tag. Now I want to display an image from my local PC, from my local directory. Okay, so to display that image, I will put the path of that image here in the source attribute. Okay, guys. Now suppose guys, I want to display this image. Okay, I want to display this image in my web page. So then copy the path of this image. Okay guys, go to properties and copy the path of this image. Okay guys, to display this image. Okay, copy the path of this image, this. Okay, copy and paste here. Now enter, now write a forward slash, okay, backward slash, and write the name of that image that we have copied the path of that image. Okay guys, see the name of that image, img is the name of that image. Okay guys, img dot extension of that image. Okay, see what is the extension of that image? The extension is png. Okay guys, so here png. Now the source path is completed here. Now it will capture that image to my browser, okay, to my web page from my local PC. Now see guys how it looks like. Boom. Now see guys, I want to resize this image. Okay, I want to resize this image because this image is very large. So I want to resize this image. So to resize this image, I will use height and width attribute here guys. Okay, see HEI just height attribute. And the second one is width attribute. Okay guys, I want to fix the height to 200, okay, and the width should be also 200. Now see guys, the image will be resized here. Boom, the image is resized here now. Okay guys, now name this image that what type of image is that. Okay guys, name this image that what type of image is that. So to name this image, I will use alt attribute here. Okay, and what type of image is this? Basically the image is about HTML. Okay, HTML means web development. Okay, web development. Okay guys, the image is about web development. See, HTML, CSS, PHP. So the image is about web development. Now I have displayed an image in my web page from my local PC. Okay, this is a complete tag here, that how to display image, how to copy the path of the image, and how to set the image, how to resize the image, and how to name the image. And you should name that image, okay, because Google crawl our web pages. Whenever Google crawl our web pages, so it will not crawl my image, it will crawl my alt attribute here, okay, to know that image, that what type of image is that. So basically Google crawl only alt attribute here to know the image, that what type of image is that. So whenever Google crawl my image, so it will save my image in their index. Okay, so it is important to give alt attribute also. Now see guys, I want to display an image from another server. Okay, from another server. Now I am using my local root directory, and I want to use another server. Okay, suppose I want to use another server image. Suppose I want to use a car image. Go to images section and select an image here. Suppose I wanted to show this image. Open this link in new tab as. Now guys, copy the URL of that image. Okay, copy this URL of this image, okay, and paste it to your source attribute. Okay guys, paste it here. Now the URL is pasted here, and now see guys, the image is displayed in our web page. The image will be displayed in our web pages. See guys, refresh the page and boom, the image is displayed now. Okay guys, that's cool. Now guys, we have covered that how to resize the image and how to display the image in our web page from local server and another server also. So that's cool and enough. Okay guys, so goodbye, take care.